Welcome to Engineering Dynamics. I'm Professor Stephen Moore. I'd like to spend a few minutes going through the course webpage, give you a brief overview of the course webpage, and a brief overview of the syllabus. Okay, so when you first get into the course webpage, you'll land on the announcement screen. Um, I'm going to use announcements to basically tell you about, quiz dates, exam dates, and assignments. So if there's some changes in the assignments, I'll put that out there too. So on the left-hand side, the screen, you'll see some links for different areas. The first one is the syllabus, and you can click on the syllabus and open it up and read that. And you can also download it. Okay. Course content. So course content is like the main page where you'll get uh, where you'll be able to keep up with the material that we're currently covering. So basically, these are your responsibilities for that particular week. So like right now, so like in week 2, here's week 1, here's week 2, and it starts on a Monday and typically ends on a Sunday. Okay, except this week it's a little bit short. All right. Um, the next is lecture slides. So right now I have 12 and 13 there. Okay. Homework assignments. Then the homework assignments will show up in the homework assignment link and any solutions, and I'll post these before the assignment is actually due. Okay. So up to this point, you have homework assignment due by September 1st, and all it is a matter of reading the syllabus and just um, uh, submitting a message saying I read syllabus and then submit it through Blackboard. Okay. The next one's the useful web links. I don't have anything out there now, but this might be some YouTube links or some other websites that I think are helpful in terms of solving the problems in the different areas. Handouts, so if I have any hard copies of anything that I find is useful for the course, I'll put it on the handouts. And then discussion board. Discussion board, you can post questions if you want, or comments are out there, and they can be answered by other students in the class or myself. Okay, and that's about it for the overview of the website. So when you click on the syllabus, it'll open up. It's a PDF file, although you can download it in other formats. So this is an online course. We don't have any specific meeting times. Here's all my contact information. And if we need to set up a meeting, we could online through like WebEx or Zoom or something. Typically, I think I've done WebEx meetings if we need to. Otherwise, I have no specific times set up right now. Okay. Here's directly from the college catalog in terms of what the description of the course and the course objectives and the prereqs for that. Okay. Course materials. We have a textbook associated with that. We're in 14th edition. And you may be able to rent it or not. You have some other options, but here are the ISBNs of the relevant textbooks. Okay, Blackboard Learn. This is where all the course material will be. The exams, quizzes will all be up there also, so you'll be doing those online. Okay. All right. Grading. Oh, grading notation, academic engagement policy. So you have to demonstrate that you've participated in some form. In the case, what I did is just read the syllabus and submit a message saying you read the syllabus by Wednesday, September 8th. I think I put the deadline of September 1st, but just make sure you do it by the September 8th. Okay. The course will be based on 1,000 points, so the homework is 150 points, and the solutions for the homework will be posted prior to the due date, so that shouldn't be hard to get that. And it's basically you made an attempt. That's good. That's good enough for that. And really, the point is to make sure you learn the material from that, so you understand how to solve the problems. You can work together on homework. That's not an issue. Okay. What you're required though for quizzes and exams, you must work on your own. All right. Now these are online and time limited, so typically quizzes be like an hour and a half. You have to complete the quiz, and it may be probably 2 problems. And then the exams are typically like 3 hours. Okay. Typically, I may extend it out if the problem's a little more complicated, depending upon if they take more time. I may make it 4 hours, but you can expect an hour and a half so for the quiz and 3 hours for exams. Okay. And here's the grading. Okay. In terms of homework assignments, 5% late each day. Hopefully that won't be an issue. You want to work on it before, of course. Keep up with the material as defined, and that way you'll be ready for the exams when they come up in the quizzes. Okay. And the exams and quizzes are 10% for every hour late. Okay. So really try to meet that deadline. And always, when you do take in a quiz and an exam, make sure you attempt all of the problems. Okay. There is partial credit given. Attendance policy, we don't have a physical classroom to go to, so that's not an issue. Academic integrity, okay, so plagiarism. So here's the note that I added to this. This is everything else is directly from the college catalog, but you can work together on homework assignments, okay, no problem. Just the exams and the quizzes you must work on your own, okay. Title IX, discrimination, harassment, sexual misconduct reporting. So if there is any issue related to any of these, you can contact our Title IX coordinator, Fatma Salman, who's also our academic dean. And here's her contact information. Okay. Incomplete. Any extenuating circumstances for some reason or another, you can't complete the course on time. You can request an incomplete. Okay. And typically with incompletes, it requires that you finish all the coursework within several weeks. I don't remember the exact number of weeks in the next semester. Okay, audit, if you want to audit the class. Withdrawal, okay. So withdrawal policy. So that one is a change from what we had in the past. This one is 80%. They won't accept a withdrawal once 80% of the semester is passed, okay? And the date for us is going to be down here, you'll see it is on November 12th, all right? But you must do all this through the registrar, okay, if you want to withdraw. All right, class cancellation, that shouldn't apply to us. And services for students with disabilities. So if you have a disability, you need some special accommodations, you can contact Joe Navarre directly, and he'll work with me on setting up those accommodations for you as needed. All right. Undocumented student. So if you're an undocumented student, you can get more information on our website, find here. And if you need additional information beyond that, you can contact the Dean of Student Services office. Okay. And here's our tentative schedule. It says what we're going to try to get through. Maybe 17 is where we end, and we may not get down to these the selected topics here. I may pick a section or two out of the remaining chapters and take a look at that. Okay, and that's about it.